What?
My phone just died.
It was 58%.
Weird.
40% nickel. Isn't that right?
Hello. How's your night going? Mind if Estevan makes it better?
See.
My stomach growling.
Lee, that was like a predatory instinct. She's trying to eat you. Gotta eat her.
Yeah. Eat the smallest one. See that goose? Come and get us. One sec, we gotta paparazzi this.
What the fuck?
Get that catch? Got a pine cone in my mouth.
I thought it was poo.
I can't see him. It's too sunny. What, the horse poop?
Eat it.
Diseased. does it look the same?
I see a resemblance.